Hi guys, I'm Rakesh Arora from Techno Concept India Private Limited, and we are coming out with our channel TechnoTube. In TechnoTube we will be talking about the products which we are offering and the products which are innovative in nature we are offering to scientific community in India for various kind of research sectors. One of the premium research sectors is life sciences, where we are offering a software called Lasergene from a company called DNA Star. Lasergene software is known for DNA sequence analysis, whether it is molecular biology or it is NGS data analysis or it is protein sequence analysis. Any of these analysis is taken care by Lasergene. Lasergene has is also sometimes known as a DNA Star software because of its company's popularity. If we look at the history of DNA Star was founded 30 years ago in Wisconsin, Madison, by a scientist called Fred Blackner. Fred Blackner is known for sequencing of E. coli for the first time, and during that time his startup company ventured into sequence analysis, and that was a very new kind of venture at that time, and since that time this company is focused only on development of the software. They are incorporating new features every year, upgrading their software every year. So this company has never been associated with any other company for any other product. They dedicated company on sequence analysis, whether it is molecular biology, NGS or protein. So we are talking about Lasergene software because Lasergene software is so popular. It has unbelievable benchmark for its credibility. Look at the credibility of the software. Look at the algorithm benchmarking of the software. This software is being used in about 1300 universities in the US and at a global level. This software is being used by 500 pharmaceutical companies across the world. There are about 84,000 reported research papers in various journals, and there are about 80,000 users of DNA Star worldwide. Can you imagine 80,000 users? If they are using this software and reporting on their data, then what is the algorithm and what will be the benchmarking, and when the company does not have any other product to sell. They have 5,000 exclusive corona based research papers to their accreditation and 26,000 bacterial genomes analyzed with DNA Star. So DNA Star credibility in life sciences is remarkable and unparalleled to any other software. This software is a paid software. This is not free. The not free means this software is highly evolved software, because a lot of money is invested in the development of the software and keep it upgraded with the current technologies, whether the technology of internet or the technology of NGS or protein or any other technology which is getting developed. So this is the most updated software in this segment. Now we look at the technical specifications and different modules. So Lasergene software is composed of three modules. One is Lasergene molecular biology, the other is Lasergene NGS, Lasergene genomics, and third is Lasergene proteins. Lasergene molecular biology software is dedicated to various kind of molecular biology aspects of DNA for their analysis, whether it is in silico cloning, PCR primer design, Sanger sequencing, assembly or multiple assembly or pairwise sequence alignments, whatever it is, it takes care of it. It is very difficult to consolidate the technical specifications in this video, so we have actually put a link in the description where you can see and look at the different kind of features which is being covered in molecular biology. So roughly if we talk, then automated virtual cloning, clone sequence verification, gel electrophoresis simulation, multiple sequence alignment, pairwise sequence alignment, and a lot more, which is covered in our technical specifications in the list. Then the next comes Lasergene Genomics. Lasergene Genomics is very advanced software for NGS data analysis. And in NGS data analysis, if we are talking about chip-second data analysis, clinical research, de novo genome assembly, de novo transcriptome assembly, metagenomic assembly, DNA sequence alignment and assembly, variant analysis, viral genome analysis, and whole exome or whole genome sequencing. It takes care of each and every function with a very high-end algorithm. So next module which is offered by Lasergene software is Lasergene Protein. Lasergene Protein is a wonderful software which takes care of antibody modeling, epitope prediction, protein docking, protein sequence analysis, protein stability prediction, protein structural alignment, protein structural analysis, and protein structure prediction. When we are talking about protein structure prediction, it has a different module which is not part of Lasergene package, but that is a subscription based and use iTesser technology. And iTesser technology is actually covered in NovaFold AI and NovaFold docking and NovaFold antibody, where it takes care of protein 3D predictions, and based on the 3D predictions you can analyze your proteins. So the more technical aspects you can visit either dnstar.com or you can see the link given in the description box. So when we are talking about these different modules, and if you want to buy all these different modules under one package, that is also offered in Lasergene suite. So Lasergene suite is composed of all these three modules: Lasergene molecular biology, Lasergene genomics, Lasergene proteins, but it does not cover AI NovaFold. So NovaFold is a separate services offered by DNA Star, which is given on the basis of subscription per protein. For detailed inquiry, you can write to us at sales@technoconcept.co.in and we can send you a lot of information on that. The one thing which is very unique and very important about DNA Star software, which you will not get in any of the freeware in the market, the Lasergene software offers a lot of resource material. When we are talking about the training is very important part of the software, but training on this type of software, which is a deep technology based, is not easily to get covered in one or two webinars. So based on your feature requirement, based on your research requirement, based on your research experiment requirement, you can identify a particular video given on the video tutorials part on dnstar.com, and you can access those videos and you can listen to those videos to make you train on that particular module. And DNA Star offers a free video tutorial to any of the users or any of the non-users. You can, if you do not have the software, still you can use the resources given on the dnstar.com website. So other than these, you will be finding various recorded webinars, you will be finding upcoming webinars, and you will be finding PDF on the published material. So this is the beauty of the company who is focused and dedicated on a particular aspect of the research. So DNA Star is a very valuable addition to your research area if you are working in this part of life science research. And then we are talking about various workflows available. These workflows take care of specific pipelines which have been already given by the company, and you can use to analyze your data. There are plenty of pipelines like automated virtual cloning, antibody modeling, de novo genome assembly, chip-seq data analysis, all types of these workflows have been given on the website of DNA Star, which make you very comfortable in analyzing your data. So we can provide you a demonstration for 15 days. You can either visit the website of dnastar.com or write to us. If you are seriously interested in evaluating our software, you please write to us on sales@technoconcept.co.in so that we can get you a full-blown DNA Star demo software. But if you are serious about it and you use our software, we are always ready to support. Our service plan given along with the software for 1 year, it is free, and after that you can purchase the service plan. But during this service plan you will be provided unlimited support on email. You will be provided unlimited support to analyze your data. So all these things means company is supporting you for any type of your requirement. As a valuable customer, we provide you various different kind of options of licensing. When the licensing is being talked, we have two types of structures, either standalone or network. So in standalone, one computer can be used for installing one user software. Like that you can ask for many users. Similarly, in network version you can download on n number of computers, but number of assigned users will be able to use this software. Similarly, we have two more options, like we have a perpetual license as well as an annual license. In annual license we provide software for 1 year, which you have to renew the next year, like subsequent years. And in perpetual license, this license goes on and on for it's called lifetime, but life does not mean the whole life. You need to upgrade your software at least in 5 years in once, so that changing technologies do not affect, and changing technology allow us to upgrade you for your hardware, for your operating system, and with the current technologies. Similarly, this software is comes in two formats, like academic and commercial. We do not provide perpetual license to the commercial organizations, they have to buy annual licenses, but to academic we provide perpetual license as far as a reduced cost to the organizations which are academic in nature or they are education in nature, so that we can support research from our side. Similarly, if we are talking about technical requirement of the software, then this software is very distinguished in terms of technical requirements. A laptop or a desktop of a normal configuration will be able to help you, but if your data is NGS or a big data, then you can look at the technical requirements, which does not require actually any workstation, and this software can be worked on desktop and laptop kind of things. So but for technical requirements like your big data, you can refer to the technical requirements on dnastar.com, or you can you can see at the link on the description page of this video. Similarly, many of the times people have questions from us. Two very important questions which I am addressing here is, why not we can use the freeware software? Freeware software does not invest or maintain the current technologies which will be of help to you. Freeware software does not give you the secrecy and privacy of your data. So your data is always available in the public domain, but your research is very valuable to you, whether you are in a commercial organization or a competitive academic organization. Both the organizations, your data is very important. So DNA Star will be able to help you in this regard. Similarly, another question is asked by us that I am a Linux user and I don't want to use any packaged software. Oh yes, you are a Linux user, but what happens to those who don't know Linux? What happens to those who immediately just want the result on the click on few clicks? So biologist, developmental biologist, and the biologist who does not know commands or command based language, they need this kind of software, and this is helpful for them. They are not required to dependent upon hardcore bioinformatics people. So bioinformatics people, please provide this facility so that they can your institutional people, at least 80% of the institute people are not aware of the command language, and they need their data at a high priority. So to analyze your high priority data, please refer to DNA Star, which I have already told you is a highly benchmarked, highly cited software, highly dependable software. A focused and dedicated team of people at DNA Star are working on this website, on this software. So if you need any further information, if you need to talk to us, we will be very soon coming out with the question answers of webinar, so that you can talk to us, and we can provide you all the relevant information as per your queries. So our email ID has been given below. You can refer that, or you can write to DNA Star, and we can always help in terms of giving you quotations, budgetary quotations, so that you can raise your funds and you can plan DNA Star in your research career. Please write to us, please talk to us at any point of time, and we will be always there to support you. Thank you. Wish you have a wonderful day today, and please subscribe to this channel so that more and more products can be discussed with you, and more new offerings can be provided to you. Please subscribe this channel and share it with your colleagues so that they can also come to know what we are offering. All these information is provided in support of the science and research. Thank you. Have a good day.